kanina kasi may lumabas na article, ninename ako as, I don't know the exact word, parang godfather ng isabong. Eh syempre, yung unang reaction po ng staff ko, dalawa. Yung iba na shock at nagalit kasi supposedly very credible yung news outlet and naturingan pa silang fact checker, 'di ba? At yung nagsusulat sa mga credible supposedly na outlet pero hindi niya chinek yung sarili niyang facts. So yung iba naman natawa kasi kung maalala niyo po 2022, ano po yung paulit-ulit kong interview? Hindi ba ho na dapat tigilan na yung isabong? Kahit bumaba ako sa survey at eventually number 7, I was number 2 in the survey, number 2 and 3 ng October, November, number 1 in December. Before the election, I think it was number 4, number 7 ng election. At yung isa namin nakitang dahilan doon, yung tuloy-tuloy na pag-upak sa isabong, sa lahat ng radio programs, ina-advise na nga ako nung iba na wag na, patapusin muna eleksyon. But sabi ko, hindi. Kailangan makarating to sa Pangulong Duterte. Kailangan matigil to. So, rewind. Remember po, sinong unang bumanat sa akin sa Congress? At anong negosyo nun? Isabong. So, sinabi ko na po nun na magiging rocky. Of course, hindi ko na-expect na matatanggal speaker, but sabi ko later on na part of the reason why tinanggal ako bilang speaker is because yung ibang congressmen at may mga powerful people who wanted na maging institutionalized ang isabong at magka-franchise. So that's why yung mga staff ko natawa na lumabas tong article na to kasi it's not a simple mistake. So I won't muna talk more about it, but ang point ko po dito is simple eh. When you talk about success, you have to also look at the truth, diba? So for example, if purpose ni Lord ay magkaroon ka ng magandang business, pero niloloko mo naman yung mga tao, walang truth. Let's say, multi-level networking, pero wala ka naman binebenta. Kumukuha ka lang ng pera. Yung scam yung sa'yo, hindi yung totoong multi-level na may produktong maganda. Diba? O kaya, online lending. Pero actually, niloloko mo, kinukuha mo talagang hindi makakabayad tapos masyadong mataas ang interest mo, o di ba? O kaya online selling, hindi mo naman dinideliver yung produkto mo. So yung truth is always a factor. Tingnan niyo po sa relationships. Kung sasabihin mo you're meant to be a mother, that I believe that is so for most of the women. But ang question ko, sino yung husband? Di ba? So kasi kung yun ang focus, tapos the first guy that came along, hindi mo tinest, niloko ka. Minsan kasi tinetest mo rin, niloko ka. But you get my point, di ba? Truth is always a factor.